Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to make retarget in Unreal Engine just using Accu Rig instead of using a Mixamo. So the end result is like something like this. The idea is not to use any external animation, just using Unreal animations. Hope you like it, don't forget to subscribe, and so let's start to implement this. The first thing you need is to search a character. Do you want to implement the retarget animation? I use Sketchoff.com and select one of these characters. Normally I use a stormtrooper from Star Wars. So I select the model and then download it. I just download and then I will use it, and then I'm going to use it Accu Rig. Accu Rig is a free software that allows you to automatically rig your character, and then you can use it whatever you want in every program you want. So let's download. I will attach the link in the comments. Okay, once you download the software, the first thing you need to do is to drag and drop your character, in this case the Stormtrooper. Then we select the center line. Just remember to put in the center of the 3D model, then click on Rig Body, and then it will rig the 3D model. Once it's rigged, see these points, these showing points that the character has. So if everything is okay, I will click on rig right hand, and then you can select the number of fingers. So in this case it's a human character, so it will have 5 fingers, of course. But if it's a monster, I have 3 fingers, 6 fingers. You can select as well the number. That is the beauty of this program. Once it's rigged, you can also select the finger rig, and then you select the other hand. In this case, rig the left hand, and then rig the right hand. I will click on finalize character, and here you have the final character rigged. So as Mixamo, this program is kind of Mixamo but with less animations. But you have T pose, A pose, different animations, idle animations. But we're gonna use the Unreal animations, not this one. So you can see the different type of animations, and as you see, it's really good how it's rigged and animated, the fingers, everything. Once everything is done, click to the export, and you click export FFX, select the program you need to export this character rigged and the skeleton. You select Unreal and then export. Select the name of the character, and then we'll go to the Unreal Engine. In this case I'm using 5.3, and now I will create a folder called SReview_Stormtrooper, and then I will drag and drop the file I download from Accu Rig. So you select the older skeleton, not the new one, because it's not going to work. It will work. So you choose the Unreal 4 mannequin. This is important, and then click import all. Don't pay attention to this. This is some of warnings from the IQ foot and hand from the character, and you see you have your character skeletal mesh. If you see, everything is okay, the height, the proportions, everything is working cool. So now we are going to the third person blueprints, go to viewport, and this is the other thing that is really great. Now you can select from the list, you can select your Stormtrooper skeletal mesh, and that's it. It's like really straightforward. And if you test and put play, you see your character rigged with all the animations that comes with Unreal Engine. The run animation, jump, jump, fall, everything is working really great. Maybe you have to adjust the arms, the fingers, but everything is working pretty neat, and this is really amazing. So we're not using Mixamo, we are using nothing, just Unreal Engine animations, inputs, and you can create whatever your character, and you can use whatever your character you want to use in your game. And it takes, as you see, it takes less than a minute. So I hope you like it. I will upload most videos regarding some animations and other mechanics on Unreal Engine 5. So thanks for watching me, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see this kind of videos.